Give me a drink, Sam.
You're not going to let that piece of Tim keep us from being friends, are you?
That's entirely up to you.
Then come on and drink with me.
I said I wasn't drinking.
If Lily says you're drinking, you're drinking.
All right, mister. Just so long as I'm drinking, I'd rather have something I like.
Give him whatever he wants, Sandy.
Give me a tumbler of straight whiskey.
You must have a cast iron stomach.
Here's how. The next time you or anybody else starts any gunplay in this town, you'll find yourself cooling off in jail. I figure you all know how I stand on things by now. Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
Put it away.
Cassidy's arrested Billy. He's got him locked up in the jail.
What do you arrest him for?
For taking a shot at Wendy. The old fool was riding near the mine.
Susan's none too bright. He was questioned about the mine. He might accidentally let something drop. Wouldn't it be too bad if something happened to him before he had a chance to talk?
Yeah, wouldn't it? I'll tell Blackie.
What, Poppy? I thought somebody took a shot at you. How did it happen? It's like somebody didn't want him to do any talking.
You're late for Cassidy. The first chance you get, let him have it. That happened too soon to suit me.
That's 2-1. You lose.
How about taking my IOU for some more chips?
Never mind the IOU. Come on, buddy. We're getting out of here.
Oh, Hoppy, I'm just getting lucky.
You've got no right coming this way starting trouble.
Don't you start anything unless you can back it up.
I'm backing him up, Mr. Marshall.
I'll give you 10 minutes to get out of town and stay out. Come on.
We're through.
Oh, no. No, we're not. What about my share in the mine and everything else?
But the marshal's going to keep you from collecting.
That's what you think.
What are you going to do about it?
I'm coming in tonight. Cassidy or nobody else is going to run me out of town.
I wish I could believe you had the nerve.
Watch and see.
You got money at home. Get your hands off the ship. I won't let you up. What's the matter, you? Can't you stand losing a little money when I'm crying about it?
Yes, but I won't stand for having it stolen.
You can't get away with that kind of talking, man.
You can't let you get away with it. This town's going to wake up someday, and you tin horns are going to find yourselves with ropes around your neck.
It won't be you who does it.
Talk off, Flavor. Come here. I told you the next time a man got careless handling a firearm, he'd be thrown in jail. Move. they put a woman in a jail like that. I guess you'll be safe, though. I don't reckon they'll try to stop you from talking like they did Dugan.
It wasn't me who killed Sergeant Poland. It was Blakey.
Well, we kind of saved each other's necks today, didn't we, kid? Marshal, I've got a message for you. Go ahead.
Blackie's back in town.
Where is he?
Said he'd be at the Crystal Slipper for you to come a gunning. If you're so lucky.
Well, tell him I feel lucky.
Yeah, I'm going with you, Hoppy. I want to have a little talk with Blackie myself about my shadow.
Nobody's going with me. This business I got with Blackie Felton is personal.
What's the matter? You backing down? I thought you'd be out in the street gunning for Cassidy by this time.
Yeah?
More than one way of skinning a cat.
Are you jealous? I knew you didn't have the nerve to meet him face to face.
Keep your mouth shut.
This time it's my pleasure.